ರಿಕವರಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರ
ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಒಂದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು.
ಟೈಮ್ ತನಕಲ್ಲ ಅಪೀಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತು ಬರ್ತೆ ಓದಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್.
Any members? Any adjournment? List 1, page 1, serial number 1 to 6. Page 2, serial number 7 to 15.
Serial number 11 next week. First time.
So for the petitioner prays for time. Next.
Serial number 15, my lord, 15.
15. One prays for time. Next.
Obliged.
Page 3, serial number 16 to 23.
My lord, serial number 16, my lords, 1 week time may be granted, my lords, to file entire charge sheet.
Prays for time. Nodi, 2 ಸಲ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ final ಇಂದ ಹಾಕಿ.
My lords, serial number 18, my lords, I may be permitted to withdraw the petition.
18.
Please, my lords.
18. Council council for the petition. Memo. ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು 19. 19 after saying filed a memo. So next.
Page 4, serial number 24 to 32.
31 year. 31 year. 31.
Yes.
25.
Prays for time. Next.
My lords, serial number 25, my lords, kindly week's time may be granted. Next week, any date may be.
25 prays for time. Next.
Serial number 28 and
Bullet.
29, my lord.
20.
28 and 29, my lord. Kindly have it next week, my lord.
29 ಏನಾಗಿದೆ?
28 and 29.
My colleague is
28 prays for time. 29 council prays for time.
31 year.
31.
31.
31 I. Yes.
Page 5, serial number 33 to 41. List 1, serial number 1. Moiddin Arafat.
I'm for the petitioner in this case, Your Honor.
1 minute, sir. Report ಏನಾಗಿದೆ?
no, it is served on the victim, my lord.
R3. Who is R3?
R3, my lord, according to the police, my lord, she is none other than the Milan.
Police ಅಲ್ಲರಿ petition ಅಲ್ಲಿ respondent number 3 who is
ಅಲ್ಲ
respondent?
ಅವರು ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ 3 ಮಾಡಿದಾರಂತೆ. ಅದು R3 is none other than the mother of the petitioner, accused only.
R3 ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ R3.
ಪುಷ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅವರು
petition ಅಲ್ಲಿ R3 ಇಲ್ಲ. Complete ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ his name is to be included in the cause list.
I have submitted the amended cause list, Your Honor.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
I have submitted.
You have not amended it.
I'll amend it, Your Honor. A day maybe.
Please amend the petition, sir. First amend the petition. Pass over.
Your Honor, I have broken my leg, Your Honor. I cannot attend the court, Your Honor. Week time may be given, Your Honor.
Pass over. Next. Petition amend ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
Your Honor, I have broken my leg, Your Honor. I can't attend for 1 week, Your Honor. Kindly give it. I pray for
Why?
time, Your Honor.
Why?
I have broken my leg, Your Honor.
Council for
Call
the
Murthy,
petition
Your
prays for time to amend the first title of the petition after including respondent number 3. This time. You should see that before next date of hearing, it is to be amended, sir.
Much obliged, Your Honor.
Next.
Serial Serial number 2, Venkat Reddy SK.
Petitioner in this case. Await report on.
You
Your
are
Lordship,
for-
I appear for respondent number 2, Your Lordship. We have not yet received the petition copy. We have instruction only yesterday, Your Lordship.
So and so.
Your Lordship,
Sir,
moreover, I just pass on this judgment, Your Lordship.
No, have you filed wakalat?
Serve
No,
ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ
Your
sir.
Lordship.
Then have you filed memo of parents,
No, Your Lordship, we received instruction yesterday night itself.
ಕಾಪಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಸರ್.
council, so and so undertakes to appear for respondent number 2 and prays for supply of copy of the petition with the enclosures. Council for the petitioner is directed to supply the copy. Please
Your
furnish.
Lordship, we may be permitted to file objections to.
I get the copies and do whatever you want.
Yes.
Will serve.
Today itself is serve the copy. Yes,
Serial number 3, M. Krishna Gowda.
For petition, my lord.
yes.
439 POCSO Act, my lord.
So
Victim is
accused,
sole accused.
when arrested,
Arrested on 19/9/2023.
who is the complainant,
Victim fathers,
age of the victim,
15 years, my lord.
what is your age?
19 years, my lord. Investigation completed, charge sheet filed, my lord. Column number 17 of the charge sheet in page number 31 of my petition.
Page number?
31, my lord. $164 statement I am producing. my lord.
Yes.
My lord, one submission. I am producing the order sheet of the lower court order copy. Victim ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವ್ರ mother court ಮುಂದೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. Repeatedly issuing NBW.
ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
Victim ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವ್ರ mother court ಮುಂದೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Summons is not served ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಸರ್ವ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ರೀಇಶ್ಯೂ ಸಮನ್ಸ್ ರೀಇಶ್ಯೂ ಆಮೇಲೆ NBW ಆಗಿದೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ಗೆ.
You filed the application under 311.
311, that is for the father of the victim ಗೆ. Mother and victim are not coming before the court ಅಂತ.
ಬಂದವರನ್ನ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಬರ್ದೇ ಇದ್ದವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? Yes, what do you say?
164, my lord, she has not supported me.
ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Petitioner being the sole accused is seeking grant of bail. He was apprehended on 19/9/2023. Since then, he is in judicial custody. Next part. Initially, the father of the victim, aged 15 years, filed a missing complaint. Alleging that his minor daughter is found missing. Okay. During investigation, the petitioner was apprehended and the victim was rescued. They stated that the petitioner kidnapped a minor girl, married her and committed sexual assault. He committed the offences as stated above. even though the prosecution has placed sufficient materials to prima facie constitute the offense, the statement of the victim recorded under section 164 of CRPC discloses that she has not supported the case of the prosecution. On the other hand, she stated that she was in love with the petitioner and she voluntarily eloped with him. Both of them married and having relationship. Next para. Counsel submits that CW2 is the victim and CW3 is the mother of the victim, and they are not appearing before the trial court for examination in spite of before the trial court. Their presence could not be secured in spite of issuance of NBW. Considering all these facts and circumstances, I must it is pertinent to note that the petitioner is 19 years. If he is detained in custody, there is every possibility of the petitioner coming in contact with hardcore criminals. Considering all these facts and circumstances, I am of the opinion that petitioner may be enlarged on bail subject to conditions. Allowed subject to conditions.
Serial number 4, Narayan Swamy KN.
In direction. Counsel for the petitioner is absent, no representation. Mr. Mar.
Serial number 5, BH Bhagwan.
Earlier, number 4, learned counsel for the petitioner is absent, no representation. It appears the petitioner is not interested in prosecuting the application. However, to afford final opportunity, we start. Then counsel for the petitioner is absent, no representation. The petition was filed on 3/4/2024. Even on the last week of hearing, then counsel for the petitioner was absent. It appears the petitioner is not interested in prosecuting the petition. However, to afford final opportunity, more not being able to.
Serial number 6, government advocate.
Yes,
If we taken up on Friday, my lord, SPP2 will come and argue this matter.
HCGP, Leonard HCGP prays for time. Friday? Friday. Next.
Obligation.
Serial number 7, A.V. Ramakrishna.
Served.
Petitioner.
Leonard HCGP submits the notice to respond in number 2. His submission is placed on the trial. Yes.
Lord, petitioner is a sole accused in 439. Lord, he was arrested on 2/10/2023. Charge sheet is filed for offense 376, 363 of IPC and section 4 and 6 of the POCSO Act, and also section 3, subsection 2(5) of the SC Act. The complaint, mother of the victim.
What is the age?
Age, as per complaint 14 years, as per victim statement 16 years. As per school certificate 14 years, 5 months, 4 months.
Yes.
The victim left the home on 22/9/2023 on join the accused house. Complaint is at page
164 statement.
164 statement, page 49, annexure here.
She fully supported it.
There is a medical evidence, my lord, is negative. Page 52, my lord. Page 52.
Hmm.
52, no external injuries is found. Serial number 27.
Hymen was not intact.
My lord, the opinion, my lord, that there is no evidence suggests to of recent forceful sexual intercourse.
Yes.
So on,
She
so.
was examined.
She examined 1/10/2023, my lord, within two days. Alleged act was committed on 29/9. Well, she was examined on 30th 9 complaint was lodged. 1/10/2023, she was subjected to medical examination. I mean, my lord, she left the home on 22/9/2023. Up to my lord 30th/9/2023, she was in the house of the accused. When on 22/9/2023, complainant went there and asked the victim to return back to home, she refused to come to home and remained the my lord in the accused house for about 9 days. Within 9 days, my lord, no complaint was lodged. For 363, there is no material kidnap. She voluntarily joined, my lord, remained in the accused house for about
Yes.
9 days. And there is a delay of my lord, 3 days in for reaching the complaint.
Maybe
They
some-
quote that my lord, it is a my lord, it is a matter of trial, my lord. For the my lord, corroborative evidence, my lord, he voluntarily went to the house of the my lord. Only on 29/9/2023, alleged act was alleged. And negative medical evidence, my lord,
Sufficient. sir.
Allah is in custody since 8 months.
It
My
is,
lord,
Hymen was not intact. It is not in your favor.
His recent opinion, final opinion, my lord, kindly appreciate final.
But there was a sexual assault on the victim.
Maybe, my lord, as alleged, as, no, my lord, as alleged 29/9, ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು. ಅದು the intent to marry, my lord, that there is a my lord, law of error, even though it is
Is hardly
minor,
age,
yes,
14 years.
minor, she is minor. I think.
14 years, not only.
14 years,
minor.
yes, we are not,
You are aged
Allah, we are not
27 years.
disputing, we are not disputing that. After examination of victim, my lord,
When counsel, sorry, petitioner being the sole accused is seeking grant of bail. He was apprehended on 2/10/2023. Since then, he is in judicial custody. The mother of the victim lodged first information against the petitioner, making specific allegations. During investigation, the petitioner was apprehended. The investigation charge sheet is filed for the opposite offences. The medical records discloses that the hymen of the victim was not intact. The victim was aged 14 years at the time of the incident. Her statement under section 164 of CRPC is recorded, wherein she categorically stated that she was one 164 ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ page number
page number 42,
42.
49 million.
Wherein she stated that the mother of the petitioner forcibly taken her to her house, and the petitioner started residing with her in their house. On 29/9/2023, the petitioner committed sexual assault on him. Therefore, the victim has fully supported the case of the prosecution. It is pertinent to note that the petitioner is said to be aged 27 years. Considering all these facts and circumstances, I am of the opinion that it is not safe to unlock the accused on bail at this stage, as it may traumatize the victim and the informant. Accordingly, I answer the point in the negative and proceed to first dismissed.
Liberty,
At this stage, learned counsel for the petitioner seeks liberty to move the trial court for grant of bail after examination of material witnesses. The liberty is reserved as prayed for. Yes.
Please.
Serial number 8, VM Halaswamy.
Yes, report,
Yes, madam, sir.
sir, recovered. Yes. Yes. Who is the petitioner?
And it's, my lord, this is where
Hmm?
this accused, my lord, he was working with this one.
The sole accused,
Yes, ma'am.
arrest, date of arrest,
The 22nd of
22nd of
February. Ma'am.
age of, who is the complainant?
Complainant, my lord, the mother of the minor child, my lord. My lord, where, my lord, the complainant, this accused was working with Church of South India School, my lord, St. John's High School. Just I will take your order.
Chair,
Pardon.
as a teacher,
No, my lord.
as
She was the mother of the student, my lord.
Huh?
Mother of the minor child, my lord. She is the
complainant.
Yes, my lord.
The petitioners were.
Petitioner is an employee of St. John's High School maintained by Church of South India, my lord.
He was working as
He was working as a maintenance staff
in the school.
with the school. Now, kindly see some of the. From 2005, he was working. Memo was issued on 30/10/2023.
Age of the victim,
8 years.
ಏನಿದು primary school,
School, my lord.
primary school.
Primary school. It's because of the victimization by the church, my lord, wherein the complaint was got to be filed. Kindly see page 26, 27, 28, ma'am. A memo was issued on 30th October 2023 against this petitioner because he was spreading some unethical words against the chairman.
Page number
Page number 26. Ma'am.
26 is the order of the trial court.
Immediately after that, show cause notice by the school, ma'am. It is brought to my notice that you are speaking and spreading improper messages and also using unethical words against the chairman of our institution. This is kindly see, my lord, 30th October. Now kindly see the next one, 13th December, show cause notice one is there. This is 30th December, my lord, to give an explanation. Then 28th, my lord. This is 7th February. This date is important, my lord. Kindly see, before this, my lord, incident was brought to the notice of the, as per the complaint, my lord, incident was brought to the notice of the school management. They say, my lord, 3rd February, the incident has happened. The minor has identified this in the church, my lord. They say, my lord, on 4th, my lord. On 5th, they are brought to the notice of the school management, my lord.
It is already filed.
Then
Charge sheet is filed.
charge sheet is now recently since filed, my lord.
Produced it.
No, after filing of maybe this.
I will dismiss this.
No, then I will produce, my lord, because I have no,
Are arguing without charge sheet.
because I was not aware.
Go before the trial court.
I will verify, my lord. It may be taken up day after tomorrow, my lord, because I will.
For the petitioner, praise the.
Serial number 9, I.S. Pramod Chandra.
2 or 3 days, right? Yes. Yes.
This matter, my lord, cancellation of bail, my lord. Yesterday, my lord, the police have served the notice to the, my lord, the second respondent, my lord. They have yet to receive their acknowledgement, my lord.
HGP pays for time to produce the police report for having served the notice on respondent number 2 this time. Next.
Serial number 10, Mahesh Happy.
ಇದು I heard it. ಇದು ಇದೇನಾಗಿದೆ?
My lord, this matter, no, not yet, my lord, I have. 3 days,
served.
no, not served. Today.
I wait to court. Yes. ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿ.
Please, please, please.
Serial number 13, Sandeepa S.H.
ಯಾವುದು? 12 ಏನಾಯ್ತು? 12 and 11.
Serial number 12, 13. 12 ಕರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ 10 ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದಾಯ್ತು 12 ಚೆನ್ನ ಎಸ್ 13 ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್
13 not at sir.
ನಾಟ್ ಸರ್ವ್ಡ್
Not sir. My lord.
ಎಲ್ಲದು ಸರ್ವೆ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ
Okay. 2 days my lord.
ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್
Serial number 14, Sagar V. Shastri.
ನಮ್ಮ ಸಿರಮ್ ಕರೆದಿಲ್ಲ
Serial number 14,
For the petitioner.
ಏನು ಅವ್ರದ್ದೇನು
The-
ಯಾವುದು
12.
12 is already adjourned, sir. Await police report. Notice is not yet served. 14,
Sagar
Lord.
V. Shastri.
May I produce the charge sheet? Lord, offenses under 366A, 376, 2N and section 6 of POCSO. Lord, date of FIR is 27/11/2023.
1 minute. Who is the petitioner?
Please one,
Petitioner.
sole accused.
As per your petition, he is accused number 2. ಇದಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಬೇರೆ ಫೈಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನನಗೆ ಸೀರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ 14 ಅಲ್ಲ
14.
5444 is the sole accused?
Sole accused. The date of FIR is 27/11/2023.
1 minute. Who is the complainant?
Mother of the victim,
What is the age of the victim?
17 years. At the time of incident.
164 was recorded.
Please,
Have you produced it?
please,
Page number.
page 56 of the memo. 52, sorry, 52 of the. May I read, ma'am?
As per charge sheet was the, what is the allegation? As per the charge sheet, what is the allegation?
The allegation is that, my lord, saying that he'll marry her and he's in love with her, he has taken her to different places and stayed together for a week.
Yes, that's it.
Lord, 164, my lord, she has not supported.
Yes.
But
So good. Petitioner being the sole accused is seeking grant of bail. When he was arrested,
27/11/2023.
surrendered on 27/11/2023, since then he is in judicial custody. The mother of the victim lodged first information against the accused, making specific allegations. The mother of the victim filed missing complaint alleging that her minor daughter is missing and she is suspected that the petitioner might have kidnapped her. Investigation, the minor was rescued The petitioner was offended. Statement of the victim and the certificate of CRPC is recorded by the learning magistrate. Wherein she states that was in love with the petitioner since 2 years and voluntarily gone with him and stayed at several places. But she has not stated anything about the sexual assault committed by the petitioner. It is to be noticed that the victim was aged 17 years and the petitioner 25 years. Investigation is completed, charge is filed. It is not the contention of the prosecution, but the petitioner is required for further investigation. Detention of the petitioner in custody may bring him in contact with other criminals. Considering all these facts and circumstances, allows the victim.
Serial number 15 and 16 adjourned, 17, Anif MH.
Served, my lord.
Kindly pass over the matter.
Served on the
Pass over the matter.
password. Yes.
Serial number 18 and 19 disposed, 20, E.D. Siddaramaiah.
Well, the petitioner and second respondents, victims were married, my lord, at page number,
No, he is the sole accused.
this, my lord,
He is the sole accused.
sole accused. 376 and 406 of FOCSO Act. At page number 28, my lord.
1 minute.
They were married on 12/4/2024. Registered on 19/4/2024. As on the date of
Who is the
complaint,
complainant?
father is the complainant, second respondent. As on date of the complaint, on 5/4/2024, he was aged to 17 years, 11 months, 26 days.
17 years
11 months, 26 days.
as on
As on 5/4/2024, complaint
date of
given
birth,
to Sirsi Police.
date of birth,
Date of birth is 9/4/2006.
when she was kidnapped.
My lord, she was married on 12/4/2024 after attaining majority. Registered on 19/4/2012.
12/4,
12/4/2024. Registered on 19/4/2024. Victim is pregnant, my lord, she is carrying as, hence she was not able to present before the court. So father is present before this.
charge sheet is not yet filed.
Charge anticipated bail. They are living together.
ಇದು ಏನು 164
ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ.
supported.
She has not supported.
Date of complaint,
My lord, 5/4/2024, first complaint before the Sirsi police station.
after
You're not the
filing the
jurisdiction.
complaint, you married her.
Yes, madam,
After filing the complaint, you married her.
married.
Then is it not an offense?
Uh,
And now we are seeking anticipatory bail.
My lord, it's an arranged marriage, my lord. Not,
Whatever it may be. Not entitled.
my lord, they are living together, my lord. It's
ಏನಾದ್ರೂ
arranged, there's
no.
no one is there to look after her.
ಅದು ಇರ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ.
He is
So-
facing the difficulty.
No, sir.
And the victim.
petitioner being the sole. accused is
Considering
seeking
the
grant of
welfare of the
absolution.
second respondent.
I will not look into anything. I will look at his conduct on the apprehension of being arrested. The father of the informant, the father of first information, making specific allegations against the petitioner. The FIR was came to be registered. Date of complaint history,
5/4/2024.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅದು?
ಅದೇ page number,
ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡು.
page number 11. Correct, madam. Page number 11.
When the FIR was registered.
FIR was registered on 24/4/2024.
Yes.
Earlier, it was given to Sirsi Police Station.
I-
On the jurisdiction, it was transferred to Shumagga.
The
Sarba
the
Police
father
Station.
of the victim lodged first information with the Sirsi police on 5/4/2024, making specific allegations against the petitioner. However, the FIR was came to be registered only on 24/4/2024. There is absolutely no reason for this inordinate delay by the police in registering the FIR. The same is to be explained by the investigating officer. The victim was aged 17 years, and it is stated that the petitioner kidnapped, married her and committed sexual assault. Statement of the victim was recorded under section 164 of CRPC, wherein she stated that she was in love with the petitioner and stayed with him. They had a physical relationship. Next part. It is pertinent to note that the petitioner is aged 31 years. It is the specific contention of the petitioner that he married the victim on 12/4/2024, and the marriage was registered on 19/4/2024. As on the date of marriage, the victim was still a minor, and the complaint was already registered. Complaint was already lodged by the informant. The conduct of the petitioner in marrying the victim, even after filing the complaint by the father of the victim, shows his conduct which disentitles him from seeking the discretionary relief of anticipatory bail. Hence, I answered the above point in the negative. Dismissed. Next.
Serial number 21, HP Shivramu.
Petition, my lord, is seeking anticipatory bail or
Anticipatory bail or regular bail?
anticipatory bail, your lordship. There are no other past incidents, your lordship. This is the first complaint, my lord.
He is the sole accused.
Register, yes, your lord. So there are one more accused, your lordship, A1 and A2. The petition before this court, A1, my lord.
What about A2?
A2, my lord, was arrested, my lord, and the case is registered, my lord, under section 323, 324, 341, 504, 506, my lord, read with 307, read with section 34, your lordship.
Who is the complainant?
Complaint, my lord, one Timmegoda, my lord.
He is the injured.
He is the injured, your lordship. At the time of renovation of the reservoir, my lord, in the village, my lord, the heated discussion was taken place. It appears that there is no enmity between anybody. There are no past incidents, your lordship, of any committing any crime by the petitioner before this honorable court.
Wound certificate, have you produced it?
Wound certificate, I could not get, your lordship. Only this certificate, page 21, my lord, may kindly see, treatment given by Chiguru Multi-Speciality Hospital, your lordship, which was referred to Sub-Inspector of Police.
No, it does not.
Nothing has been stated, your lordship. This is the only certificate, your lordship, which I was able to obtain, your lordship.
Yes, do you have? How many injuries? Left forehead. What was the weapon used?
ಅವರು ಮಚ್ಚು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಮಚ್ಚುನ ಬೀಸಿದ್ರು ಅದು ಮಚ್ಚಿನ ಹಿಂಭಾಗ ಬೀಳ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ,
Any
ಕತ್ತಿನ ಹಿಂಭಾಗ ಬೀಳ್ತು ಅಂತ. ಮಿಲಾಡ್,
antecedents?
ದೇರ್ ಆರ್
Any
ನೋ
other
ಆಂಟಿಸಿಡೆಂಟ್, ಇಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸಮ್ heated discussion while removing the soil, ಮಿಲಾಡ್, in the reservoir.
Double.
That's the
Petitioner being accused number 1 is seeking grant of anticipatory bail on the apprehension of the arrest. The injured Timmegowda got the first information, making specific allegations against accused number 1 and 2. It is stated that accused number 2 is already apprehended and is in judicial custody. The contention of the informant that the petitioner and accused number 2 picked up quarrel with him and assaulted him with a machete with an intention to cause his death. The wound certificate, a copy of the wound certificate used for perusal of the court discloses that the injured has sustained only one simple injury over the left forehead, that is an abrasion. It is not the contention of the prosecution that the petitioner is required for further custodial interrogation or that he is having any criminal antecedents. Under such circumstances, I am allowed subject to conditions.
Serial number 22, Kemparaju.
Appearing for the petition.
Yes, report. Third on the table.
439 petition, my lord. Sole accused, my lord. Custody, my lord, from 31/3/2024. For the offense, my lord, under section 366, 363, 376(1), 354D of IPC and section 4 and 12 of POCSO Act, my lord. Date of incident is 25/3/2024. As on date of the 25/3/2024.
Who is the
As on
complainant?
date of the incident, my lord, she was 16 years, 8 months.
Complainant.
Complainant, mother of the victim, my lord. Page number 38 is 164 statement, my lord. Page number 38, my lord.
Page number
38. Sharat Kumar, petitioner, my lord.
charge sheet is not yet filed.
Charge sheet is filed, my lord. Charge sheet is filed. Charge sheet allegations, my lord, are in page number 37. My lord, medical, my lord. Absence, my lord. She has refused for medical, my lord. Page number. ನನಗೆ ವೈದ್ಯರು ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆ ಮಾಡಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲು ಹಾಗೂ ಇದರ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆಯನ್ನು ಮತ್ತು ಮಹತ್ಮೆಯನ್ನು ವೈದ್ಯರು ನನಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಆದರೂ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆ ಮಾಡಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲು ನನಗೆ ಒಪ್ಪಿಗೆ ಇರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ.
Petitioner being the sole accused is seeking grant of bail. He was apprehended on 31/3/2024.
31/3/2024.
24.
24.
Since then, he is in judicial custody. The mother of the victim lodged first information against the mother of the victim filed the missing complaint. And later, the victim was rescued. The petitioner was apprehended. The investigation was held. Now the charge sheet is already filed. It is the contention of the prosecution that the petitioner kidnapped the minor girl, took her to Tirupati, and committed sexual assault. Statement of the victim under section 164 of CRPC was recorded by the learned magistrate, wherein the victim stated she is aged 16 years and was in love with the petitioner. She voluntarily went with the petitioner and they had a physical relationship. Next, it is pertinent to note that the victim has not subjected herself for medical examination. The petitioner is aged 23 years. Considering all these facts and circumstances, I am of the opinion the petitioner may be enlarged on bail subject to conditions which will take care. Allowed subject.
Obliged, madam.
Serial number 33, Venkabhadra Swamy.
Appear for petitions.
Sarvagida.
439 petitions. The petitioner sole
Accused.
sole accused, 439 petitions.
Arrest, date of arrest.
Date of offense, my lord,
Arrest.
arrest 23/12/2022.
22.
22. Date of incident, my lord, 21/12/2022. Complaint filed on 21 incident. 22 filed the complaint.
302. No.
302.
Who is the complainant? Who is the complainant?
Complaint, my lord, is one of the Ravi Raj Antili.
Hmm?
He was a neighbor.
Neighbor.
One of the neighbor, he was in page number 12 of the typed copy of the complaint, my lord. First instance, my lord, he was unknown persons.
1 minute. Yes, that is what I am saying.
Yes, my lord.
Neighbor antiralli.
First instance, my lord, you have filed the unknown persons.
Maybe she is the daughter.
The daughter, you have filed the complaint.
ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ನೀವು. Unknown person.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸಾರಿ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು
ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ.
ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ daughter complainant is daughter of the deceased madam. You have filed the complaint unknown person first instance. After verification, the next day was phone track, my lord, you were arrested the petitioners. Investigation already is completed, charge sheet also filed.
Where is the charge sheet?
Charge sheet page number, my lord. 15, my lord. Sorry. 21, page number 21. 34 witnesses, including investigation officers. Otherly 17 material witness already completed the evidence.
How many witnesses are examined?
17, my lord. 17 members is already completed. Page number 68, my lord.
You supported?
No, my lord.
None of the witnesses supported?
No, my lord. All are circumstantial evidence, no eyewitnesses in this case, madam.
ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾನು. ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದಾರ ಹಾಸ್ಟೆಲ್ ಆಗಿದಾರ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ.
ಹಾಸ್ಟೆಲ್ ಏನು ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವತ್ತು ಎವಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Then how you are entitled for
So ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So kindly see the Page number 17 and
The circumstances.
all are circumstances.
Yes, what are the Is examined as PW6. Yes. Then
Weapon was recovered at the instance of.
what is the weapon? What was the weapon?
It was blood stain, my lord. It was sent to the extraction, my lord, and extraction, my lord. Blood stains are of the dead of the deceased. The clothes of the accused were also recovered at this. The blood stain over the clothes of the accused were also of the friendship of the deceased.
Kindly see the evidence, my lord, material witness.
Circumstances is there, sir. Yes, all the witnesses have supported. There is
But,
recovery of incriminating materials.
But no one person's smile is not seen in the.
Necessary, sir. Adella gone are the days, eyewitnesses. Weapon is recovered, blood stained clothes were recovered. And the blood of the deceased was found on
Yes.
your clothes.
Page number 79, my lord. At the time of cross-examination.
Adella
The
nodala, sir,
complaint,
now.
allala.
I am not either acquitting or convicting, no.
One the.
This for the trial court, I will not go into that.
Is already evidence already completed, my lord.
Yes. Totally. Petitioner being the sole accused is seeking grant of bail. He was apprehended on 23/12/2020. Since then, he is in judicial custody. The daughter of the deceased lodged the first information against unknown persons.
Kindly withdraw the petitions, my lord.
That her father is done to death.
Liberty to
Liberty and after conclusion of trial, no liberty.
withdraw the petitions, my lord.
Yes,
Time limit was given.
time limit and ಆಗೋಗಿದೆ ಮತ್ತಿನ್ನೇನಿದೆ. Counsel for the petitioner after addressing the argument at length seeks permission to withdraw the petition. Memo ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ dismiss as withdrawn ಅಷ್ಟೇ liberty.
Serial number 24, Ajay R.A.
Served.
Charge sheet is.
Served.
Offences are under 366A, 506, 376 and section 4 of POCSO, my lord. Petitioner is the sole accused.
When he was arrested,
31/3/2024, my lord.
who is the complainant?
Mother is the complainant, my lord. Victim's mother is the complainant.
Age of the victim?
17 years, my lord.
What is your age?
21, my lord. Complaint is filed on 25/3/2024. And on the same day, FIR is also registered. The lordship could see.
One 64 recorded.
Yes, my lord. Page number 56, ma'am. Lord, as per 164 statement, She says that she was forced to give this complaint and also admit the contents of the complaint. As such, there was a family dispute with regard to some civil disputes, my lord. And she says that she's in love with,
Minutes. I'll
sorry,
go
sorry.
Through this.
Sorry.
For some. Where she is residing,
She's in Bangarpet, my lord, with her parents.
parents. Yes. Go on. Krishna being the sole accused is seeking grant of bail. He was apprehended on 31/3/2024. Since then, he is in judicial custody. The mother of the victim lodged the first information against the accused, making specific allegations for having committed the offence as stated further. The victim was aged 17 years at the time of the accident. He stated that the petitioner had kidnapped from her married and committed sexual assault. After investigation, charge sheet is filed by the investigator. In the meantime, the statement of the victim under section 164 of CRPC was recorded, wherein victim stated that she is aged 17 years and was in love with the petitioner. She voluntarily went with him and they had a physical relationship. It is pertinent to note that the petitioner is aged at 21 years. If he is detained in custody, she subjected herself for a medical examination.
Please note. Page number 43 of the charge sheet.
Any opinion of the doctor?
No, the hymen is absent, that's what they say, my lord.
Opinion
And
of
no
the
injuries.
other.
No injuries.
If he is detained in custody, he may come in contact with the hardcore criminals. Therefore, I am not taking allowed subject to conditions.
Grateful. Ajay, list.
Naveen HM. Naveen HM. Serial number 26.
Counsel for the petitioner is absent, no representation, list on. Next.
Serial number 27, Kulkarni.
I get participant. Wait results. Petition section 439,
Yes.
filed by accused number 5. Offense is punishable section 5.
In all, how many accused?
5 accused persons.
What about others?
They are absconding, my lord.
Offense is 399, 402 of IPC,
399 and
402 of IPC.
when you are arrested?
As on 2/5/2023, I was secured on body warrant.
How many cases are there against you?
To my knowledge, one case was prior to this case. Yeah.
In that case, when you are arrested,
That record I don't have, but this shows that I was secured. In
take a law,
2/5/23, I am secured under body warrant.
earlier complaint. Earlier crime number ಯಾವ್ದು?
No, this, I was secured from body warrant. That case, I did not have details, my lord.
ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ.
I'll get you. I was secured, I was in, secured in body warrant. Till 3/7, I was produced through VC, my lord,
You are not arrested in this case?
not arrested. That's why when I got bail in that case, I was released from the jail. Thereafter, I filed for anticipatory bail. Anticipatory bail was granted on 6/10, directing to appear before the regular case on 13/10. But I fell accidentally on 1/10, sustained injury to the knee. On 20th of October, I admitted in hospital. Operation was conducted. Cartridge was removed. 1/11, I was discharged from the hospital. Thereafter, I filed application for relaxation of condition. That application rejected. On 25/4, I voluntarily surrendered before the honorable court.
Then ಹೇಳಿ, when? 25?
25/4, 15/4/24.
15/4/24.
I voluntarily surrendered and applied for bail. On 7/6/24, my bail application rejected. It is all mentioned in the order passed by the honorable trial court at page number 24 and 25. On the only ground that I have not produced the medical record to show that I sustained the injury.
Hmm.
Medical record is here.
Now charge sheet is filed.
Charge sheet is filed. I was not arrested on the spot. Only accused number 1 to 4 were arrested. A charge sheet was filed. Charge sheet was filed showing me absconding.
ಮತ್ತೆ
399
where is
phone.
the question of arresting them?
Yes, my lord. No, on the spot, I was not arrested.
Sir, ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅದನ್ನ
Yes, sir.
ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೇಳಿ.
Absconding charge sheet, my lord.
Then
Yes,
where is the question of arresting them?
Yes, my lord. Yes, Operation discharge summary, my lord.
ಏನು?
Discharge summary.
ಕೊಡಿ.
On this ground, bail application rejected. It shows the date of admission is 20/10/23. Date of discharge 1/11/23. I was required to appear on 13/10. The chief complaint shows, my lord, swelling and pain, accident of fall. Since last 20 days, history of self fall at workplace on 1/10/23. Initially treated as OPD basis. Then operation was done on 20/10. I was discharged on 1/11. My right knee,
You are granted anticipatory bail.
6/10/23.
6/10.
23. I had fallen 1/10/23.
Yes. What is? Hmm? Yes. Yes.
He was discharged on 1/11/2023.
Hmm. Which is the other one or case again? How many cases? He is having criminal antecedents. Get the details. You also get the details. How many cases are there against?
Yes,
him? Third. Petitioner being accused number 5 is seeking grant of bail. He was apprehended on 15/4/2024. As he said to have surrendered before the investigating officer. It is stated that initially petitioner was apprehended in another criminal case. Under body warrant, his presence was secured by the investigating officer. He was released on bail in the first criminal case. He applied for anticipatory bail and obtained the same on 6/10/2024. However, it is stated that the petitioner had a fall on 1/10/2023 and suffered a fracture. By admitting to the hospital in 2010/2020. Discharged on 1/11/2023. However, he had not appeared before either the investigating officer or the court. He surrendered only on 15/4/2020. Next. Now the investigation is completed and charge sheet is filed. Number 1 to 4 are shown as absconding accused. As per charge sheet, it is the contention of the prosecution that accused number 1 to 5 forming themselves into unlawful assembly. Armed with the deadly weapons. Used to waylay the vehicles on the public road during night hours and used to rob them or commit dacoity. On getting such information, the informant along with other police officials went to the spot. And apprehended few of the accused. ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅವರು some of the accused were apprehended at the spot. ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ? ಜಾಮೀನಿನ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರುತ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಬ್ಸ್ಕಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅವರು. ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಿಲ್ಲ ದೇವರ ಅಬ್ಸ್ಕಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ, ಇದು ಬೇಡ. Accused number 1, accused number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6 were apprehended at the spot when they were trying to commit dacoity. This petitioner had managed to escape from the spot. The HCP and the counsel for the petitioner are directed to verify the criminal antecedents of the petitioner and make submission. Order sheet ನಲ್ಲಿ heard so and so submission for further hearing. When? Friday. Yes.
Today number 28 and 29 Arjun, 30 is Raju.
Wait, report.
Yes, report.
Wait,
So let's
Good.
Sir.
kindly attend tomorrow. Tomorrow.
Okay.
Number Chandrasekhar are given better.
Counsel praise for time. Next.
Serial number 31 Arjun, 32 Vaishali Yagde.
For the respondent too, my lord, we filed Vakala today. We didn't
For the
receive any
petitioner's counsel.
petition copy, so kindly direct the petitioner to serve petition copy, my
That's
lord.
through the police, they have been served, the entire petition copy. Now, I can serve one more copy, but my lords, if the police have served them
Please
through the
serve the
court,
copy.
I will serve a copy, extra copy.
So and so submits that. She is instructed to appear on behalf of respondent number 2,
Complainant.
complaint. Please serve the copy today itself.
Right, in another half an hour. Tomorrow, my lords, because
Copies of the petition along with annexes is served on the council representing respondent number 2. Yes, tomorrow, day after,
And praise time for file objections. One
tomorrow,
week, a week time, my lord,
week ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Friday or Monday?
Monday.
Monday. Yes.
your wife, my lords,
Hmm?
wife complainant.
ನೋಡೋಣ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿ, one time ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ.
ಹೌದು, your lordships had granted anticipatory bail for 498. ಅದ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಮೇಲೆ they file a complaint of POXCO, divorce case pending ಇರೋ.
ನೋಡೋಣ, Monday.
Much obliged.
Serial number 33, Raghavendra BM.
Who is the petitioner?
Petitioner being the accused number 5, my lord.
In all, how many accused?
There are 15 accused are there.
15.
15. Accused number 3 and 13 are in the bail. This honorable court was granted the anticipatory bail.
What about others?
Others are, they have not taken any bail. Sir,
Hmm?
madam, copy. Illa, or copy.
What about other accused?
Other accused, they have not taken any bail.
They are in JC.
No, no, no.
Then
They are abscond.
only accused number 5 is in JC.
No, no, fourth, this is 438.
438.
430.
Yes.
So complaint is the Teresa Babu, is the GPA holder.
1 minute. What is the allegation against you?
So he was the purchaser of the shoot schedule property. That is 50
Purchaser from whom?
from A1 and A2. The sale deed in the page number 40.
A1 and 2 na?
Yes. A3, 5 and 6 have jointly purchased the property. 56. A3, 5 and 6. Petitioner and accused number 5,
A3, 5 and 6.
6 have purchased the property bearing survey number 56/4, 2 acre 1 gunta smell by way of registered sale deed. This page number 40.
Sale deed dated?
Sale deed dated 17/10/2023, my lord.
Now you have also sold it?
No, no, no.
till today, the suit is pending. I have obtained the interim order against this complainant.
The suit, OS number
OS number 147/2024,
filed by
the accused number 356
against.
against the complainant.
Hmm.
Uh,
The complainant has also filed a suit.
my lord?
Complainant has also filed a suit.
Yes, that is also pending.
Permanent injunction is granted against you.
No. I obtained the interim order against the complainant. That is page number 62 on IA number 39, rule 1 and 2. IA filed by me. Not to interfere. This order is still operating.
Yes. But accused number 3 is also a purchaser. He is granted anticipatory bail. So what? Petitioner being accused number 5 is seeking grant of anticipatory bail on the apprehension of being arrested. The informant lodged the first information, making specific allegations against the accused. And the FIR was going to be registered against accused number 1 to 15 for the aforesaid offences. It is the contention of the petitioner. Next paragraph. It is the contention of the petitioner that the petitioner was one of the purchaser of the property under the sale deed dated 17/10/2020, along with accused number 3 and 6. Accused number 3 is already granted anticipatory bail by this court by allowing his petition. Criminal petition number 5378 of 2022, as per order dated 25/6/2024. The allegations made against other accused who are said to be the executants of the sale deed is that they have concocted several documents and sold the property. Admittedly, the present petitioner along with accused it is stated that the petitioner along with accused number 3 and 6 being the purchasers filed the suit OS 147 of 2024 before the civil court seeking grant of permanent injunction against the informant, and the temporary injunction was granted in favor of the petitioner and the other purchasers. In the meantime, the informant had also filed the suit in OS 667 of 2023 seeking grant of permanent injunction. Considering all these facts and circumstances, the anticipatory bail was granted in favor of accused number 3, against whom similar allegations are made. Therefore, I am of the opinion that the benefit of clarity could be extended to the present petitioner, and he may be granted anticipatory bail. So we will take care of so much. Allowed subject to conditions.
Serial number 34, C. Gopal Krishnamurthy. He passes the matter, sir. Serial number 35, S. G. Rajendra Reddy.
Yes.
438 petition. This petition is accused number 1.
In all, how many accused?
8.
8.
8.
What about the accused?
Yeah, they were granted anticipatory bail by the trial court.
All.
Yes.
All the other accused.
Yes.
Are granted anticipatory bail.
Yes. I produced my lord, copy my lord on page.
You are the main accused.
Yes, A1, 17.
No,
But,
there are 9 accused, Allah. Number 1 to 9 either. Charge sheet is filed,
Not yet. Right.
9 accused.
9 accused, sorry.
Who is the complainant?
Not a victim,
Victim herself.
victim herself.
What is the allegation?
Not a allegation, my lord, that he is aged about 24 years. Doing, my lord, the graduate. And my lord, they were both of them were in love and got married in a temple. And on 17/3/24. And my lord, thereafter, my lord, their parents objected, our parents objected. And my lord, again, my lord, second marriage, that is marriage, my lord, with in a temple was organized by his parents. I produced
You married?
documents, please.
When you married?
17/3/24.
24.
Yes, my lord, I produced a document, my lord, to that effect on page 40, page 40.
But
The
what
low
about it?
marriage.
Huh?
It was a low marriage. Page 40. Document. Again, my lord, our parents wanted to, my lord, marriage to be customary as per well-wishers, my lord, on page 42.
No, according to you, you married the first informant.
Yes, my lord.
Huh?
Yes. That is our complaint also. 17/3/24.
Then why this complaint?
My lord, thereafter, my lord, our parents objected, my lord, for that marriage, low marriage. Again, my lord, the father of the victim girl, my lord, booked a chatra on 22/5, so 2/5/24 for marriage before all of elderly persons to regularize that marriage, my lord. Again, my lord, I filed, my lord, on page 28 for, my lord, seeking, my lord, permanent injunction restraining the complainant going for second marriage. Page 28, page 28.
1 minute.
Page 28. I filed OS number 26/24, seeking, my lord, permanent injunction restraining the defendant number 1 from contracting a marriage during subsistence of marriage with the plaintiff. And also I have filed, my lord, trial court granted, my lord, a permanent injunction on page 34. Again, my lord, I have filed, my lord, OS, my lord, MC 156/24, page 35 for restitution of conjugal rights.
MC number?
156/24. Thereafter, my lord, this complaint is filed. Making allegations of sexual assault.
Yes, what is it? What? Hmm? Duty there, you see there. Good. Petitioner being case number 1. When you are arrested, anticipatory bail. Okay. Seeking anticipatory bail on the apprehension of being arrested. Victim lodged the first information against the petitioner and 8 others alleging the commission of the offence as stated above. They stated that for the victim is aged of 24 years and the petitioner is 27 years. The statement of the victim under section 164 of CRPC is recorded by the learned magistrate, wherein she stated that the petitioner used to insist her to marry him and forcibly married her on 17/3/2024. Later, he also committed sexual assault and is criminally intimidating her. The petitioner has produced the copy of the document to show that on 17/3/2024, he married the victim in the country. Even thereafter, the parents of the victim were not ready to send the victim with him. Therefore, victim with him and try to marry her with another girl. Therefore, he filed the suit, verse 26 of 2024, seeking permanent injunction against the victim and her father, seeking perpetual injunction. It is stated that the petitioner has also filed MC 156 of 2024 against the victim, seeking restitution from the bill. The suit is 26 of 2024 and MC 156 of 2020 filed on 5/4/20. First information was came to be filed 15/5/2022. Petition number 2 to 8 are already granted anticipatory bail. Considering all these facts and circumstances, I am of the opinion that the petitioner may be granted anticipatory bail subject to conditions which will take care of solution. Allowed subject to conditions.
Serial number 36, R.P. Chandrasekhar.
Appear for petition 439. Expenses.
Yes.
439 petition.
Yes.
341, 307 is IPC offenses. In all 1 to 8 accused.
Who is the petitioner?
Petition is accused number 1. 2 to 7 has granted bail.
2 to 7.
2 to 7 are granted bail.
What about 8?
8 still absent. Similar allegation.
When you are arrested?
Arrested on 13/5/24. The date of incident on 12/12/23.
12/12/23
at about 11:30 a.m. The 5 to 7 person came to be the victim. The complainant is the victim relative. On Jilani, victim relative.
Who is the complainant?
Victim relative. Relative of the victim.
Own certificate?
Discharge summary. Petition victim is discharged.
You know how many injuries sustained?
Injury, I think multiple laceration.
When admitted, 12/12 itself.
12/12, 26/12/23 is the discharge. That similar allegation of other accused also granted bail.
Charge sheet is not yet filed,
Charge sheet is not,
not yet. filed.
not at. Kindly page number 76 of bail orders, accused number 3567 is granted bail, page number 76. Similar allegation. Page. Because I lodged the complaint against the victim and complainant. That case is, SC number is pending.
You filed a complaint.
I initially in crime number 34 of 19. Victim and complainant. 24/4/2019, crime number 34 of 19.
19.
SC number is pending on 159 of 2022. That complaint I lodged against the complainant and victim also. They assaulted me.
Yes, that is the motive for you
That,
to assault him.
Allah, the case complaint is same thing. In the complainant para last page. Insofar as recovery concern, my lordship, there is no recovery at all in this our instance. The weapons are bloodstained cloth also recover other accused.
Yes, what do you say?
Only one case is pending. In the remand application, you mentioned 323 is pending in only one case.
Crime number?
Crime number 176/2018. 323 is pending. That is final end date of that.
But why, if only one case is pending, why rowdy sheet?
I don't.
What happened to those cases?
Yes, we have only 323. As far as my concern is, there is no cases, only 320. 323 is,
Rowdy sheet was opened in which year?
I think 2019 and that.
19. There must be some other cases also.
Yes, as far as our concern, only one case in remand application they mentioned. Kindly page number 42. 42. Bottoms. On 12/11/18 Mandi police station ಅಲ್ಲಿ crime number 176/18 Swami. 323, 324 is pending.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
Swami, bottom, page number 42 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ bottom, page number 42. On 12/11/18 Mandi police station ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜಲಾನಿ ಕೇಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, crime number 176/18. This case is pending. Now the case is final argument case. Because the complainant also is a rowdy sheeter.
What is this 34 of 19?
ಅದು ನಾನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ನಾನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು SC ನಂಬರ್ ಆಗಿ 159/22 ಇದು ಕೇಸ್ ಮೋಟಿವ್ ಏನು, ನಾನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎವಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡೋ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇವ್ರು ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಡ ಎವಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ. ಅದು SC ನಂಬರ್ 159/22 ಅಂತ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ನಂದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎವಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಮೈಸೂರು ಕೋರ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಅವತ್ತು ಎವಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಅವತ್ತು ಹೋದಾಗ ಈ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
Petitioner being accused number 1 is seeking grant of bail. He was apprehended on 13/5/2020. Since then he is in judicial custody. The relative of the injured lodged first information against accused number 1 to 3 and another for having committed the offences as stated above. The informant specifically stated that accused number 1 to 3 and others armed with a talwar assaulted the injured with an intention to cause his death and inflicted fatal injuries. On seeing the general public, assailants have ran away from the scene of occurrence. As per copy of the discharge summary, the injured was admitted to the hospital on 12/12/2023 and was discharged on 26/12/2023. He had sustained as many external injuries. Next. Even though similar allegations are made against accused number 3 by specifically naming him in the first information, he is already granted bail by the trial court. Therefore, the benefit of parity could be extended to the present petition. Is favorable. Number 176 of 2018 is registered against the petitioner for having committed the offence punishable in 323 and other cases. However, it is to be noticed that the petitioner had filed the first information against the injured and others registered in crime number 34 of 2019 for various penal offences, including section 307 of IPC. Considering all these facts and circumstances, even though the charge sheet is not yet filed, it is not the contention of the prosecution that the petitioner is required for further investigation. Reasonable conditions may be imposed on the petitioner to take care of the interest of the prosecution. Therefore, allowed subject to conditions.
Serial number 37, B.S. Prasad.
For the petitioner, have it on next week, Milord. Have it on next week, Milord.
Yes, sir, I do.
First time.
Counsel for the petitioner, praise for time. Yes.
Serial number 38, Manjunath Amar.
For 39 petition, my lord.
Yes.
Petitioner, my lord, accused number 6 and 7.
6 and 7.
6 and 7.
In all, how many accused?
7 accused. Total 7 accused in the charge sheet.
What about other accused?
They have not yet enlarged in bail.
They are
Still
in
they are in
custody.
custody.
All in
All
custody.
in custody. Offense, my lord, section 302, 504, 323, 506, 149 IPC. Complaint, my lord.
Who is the complainant?
Complainant on Sajjad, page number 30, my lord. Charge sheet filed. Charge sheet filed.
Who is the deceased?
Deceased one Manjunath Reddy, deceased. Charge sheet, my lord.
Complainant is not related to him.
Complainant is not related. He is a friend of the deceased man.
Charge sheet is filed.
Charge sheet is filed.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
Column number 17, page number 47. Initially, second petition name is not in the FIR. First petitioner shown as accused number 3. Charge sheet, in charge sheet they are shown as accused number 6 and 7.
FIR is against?
FIR
1 to
against
5.
accused number 1 to 5. In the first petitioner name as shown as accused number 3 in the FIR. A3. In the FIR in complaint, O tax against this first petitioner is concerned, pushed and kicked by hand. In the charge sheet also, my lord, column number 70, may please, my lord. Deceased, there is a motive against the deceased, my lord.
1 minute. What was the motive?
Motive, my lord, one crime number 53 of 23 registered against the deceased and CW1, my lord.
By?
In page number 187, they trespassed the house of one Fatima and assaulted the son. In page number 187, FIR and complaint is produced. The deceased went to the house of the accused number 1 to withdraw the said case. There was a quarrel, my lord. There.
Accused number 1 has not registered any complaint.
No, A1 not registered, but the deceased went to the house of the deceased. In the complaint itself stated, my lord, column number 70, please, my lord. Page 47. ಇಂತ ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ ಸಾಕ್ಷಿ 2 ಸಜ್ಜಾದ್ರವರು ದಿನಾಂಕ 21/2/20 ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಫಾತಿಮರ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಗಲಾಟೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 53 ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ಡ್ ಅಗೇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದೆಮ್. ಅದೇ ದಿವಸ ಫಾತಿಮರು ಆನೇಕಲ್ ಠಾಣೆಗೆ ದೂರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು. ಠಾಣೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ ಸಜ್ಜಾದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಾಲಂ 53 ಅಂತೆ 448 506 323 ಪ್ರಕರಣ ದಾಖಲೆ ಸರಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಮುತಾ ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ ದೋಷರ ಪಟ್ಟಿ ಕಾಲಂ 12ರಲ್ಲಿ ನಮೂದು ಮಾಡಿರುವ A1 ಆರೋಪಿಗೆ ನೀನೇ ಹೇಳಿ ಕೇಸು ಮಾಡಿಸಿರುವುದು, ಕೇಸನ್ನು ವಾಪಸ್ ತೆಗಿಸು, ನೀನು ನನಗೆ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಎದುರಿಸುವುದು ಸರಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಮುತಾ ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ ಸಾಕ್ಷಿ 1, 2, 3, 4 ರವರುಗಳಿಗೆ ನಾನು ವಿಜಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕಿರೋ ಕೇಸನ್ನು ವಾಪಸ್ ತೆಗಿಸುವಂತ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಾರಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ನನ್ನ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಕೇಳಲು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ವಿಜಿಯಿಂದ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗುತ್ತಿದೆ. ವಿಜಿ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ವಿಜಿಗೆ ಕೇಸನ್ನು ವಾಪಸ್ ತೆಗಿಸುವಂತ ಎದುರಿಸಿ ಒಡೆದು ಬರೋಣ ಅಂತ. ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಹಿಮ್ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಮೋಟಿವ್ ವೆಂಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದಿ ಹೌಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ accused number 1, ಮೇಲರ್. ದಿನಾಂಕ 23/2/24 ಮುತಾ ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ.
ಏನು ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ?
ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಮೇಲರ್.
ಏನು ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ?
ಕಾಲಂ ನಂಬರ್ 17, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್. ಪೇಜ್ 47.
Yes.
ಮುತಾ ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ ಸಾಕ್ಷಿ 1, 2, 3, 4 ರವರಿಗೆ ನಾನು ವಿಜಿಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕಿರುವ ಕೇಸನ್ನು ವಾಪಸ್ ತೆಗಿಸುವಂತ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಾರಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ನನ್ನ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಕೇಳದೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ವಿಜಿ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ವಿಜಿ ಮನೆ ಬಳಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ವಿಜಿಗೆ ಕೇಸನ್ನು ವಾಪಸ್ ತೆಗಿಸುವಂತೆ ಎದುರಿಸಿ ಒಡೆದು ಬರೋಣ ಅಂತ ಮಾತನಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು 23/2/24 ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ ಸಾಕ್ಷಿ 1, 2, 3, 4 ರವರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಟಾಟಾ AC ಅಂತ ಟೆಂಪೋದಲ್ಲಿ ರಾತ್ರಿ 8:30 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಆನೇಕಲ್ ಘನನ್ಯಾಯಾಲಯದ ವ್ಯಾಪ್ತಿಗೆ ಸೇರಿದ ಆನೇಕಲ್ ಠಾಣೆ ವ್ಯಾಪ್ತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ 17 ವಿವರ್ಸ್ ಕಾಲನಿ A1 ಆರೋಪಿ ಮನೆ ಬಳಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಮುತಾ ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ ಸಾಕ್ಷಿ 1, 3, 4 ರವರಿಗೆ ರಸ್ತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಫೋನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತನಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದ A1 ಆರೋಪಿ ಬಳಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಮುತಾ ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ A1 ಆರೋಪಿಗೆ ನಿನಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಾರಿ ಹೇಳೋದು ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೇಸನ್ನು ವಾಪಸ್ ತಗೊಂತ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ A1 ಆರೋಪಿ ಮಾತಿಗೆ ಬೆಳೆದು A1 ಆರೋಪಿ ಒಡೆಯಲು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದು. A1 ಆರೋಪಿ ಮುತಾ ಮಂಜು ಏನು ಒಡೆಯಲು ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ A1 ಆರೋಪಿ ಕಿರಣ್ಗೆ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಂಟಮ್ಮ ಹುಡುಗರು ನಮಗೆ ಹೊಡೆಯುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಬೇಗ ಹುಡುಗನ ಕರೆಸು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ A1 ಆರೋಪಿ ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ ಹಿಡಿದು ಎಳೆದು ಆಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದು. ಸಾಕ್ಷಿ 1ರಿಂದ 4 ರವರು A1 ಆರೋಪಿ ಏನು ಮಾತನಾಡ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಹುಡುಗರನ್ನು ಕರೆಸಿ ಅಂತ ಹಣ ಎಳೆದಾಡ್ತಿ ಅಂತ ಬೈಯುತ್ತಾ A1 ಆರೋಪಿ ಹೊಡೆಯಲು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದು. A1 ಆರೋಪಿಯು ತಪ್ಪಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದು. ಅಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ A2 ಮಧುಸೂದನ್, ಕಿರಣ್, ಕುಂಬಿ, ಶೇಖರ್, ಶಶಿಕುಮಾರ್, ಗೌತಮ್ ಮತ್ತೆ A7 ಅಕ್ಷಯ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಆರೋಪಿಗಳು ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಇಂದ ಬಂದರು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ A1 ನಿಂದ A7 ಆರೋಪಿಗಳು ಮುತಾ ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್ ರೆಡ್ಡಿಗೆ ಸಾಕ್ಷಿ 1ರಿಂದ 5 ರವರುಗಳ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತನಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಗ A1 ರಿಂದ 7 ಆರೋಪಿಗಳು ಮುತಾ ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ ಇವರು ಸಾಕ್ಷಿ 1ರಿಂದ 5 ರವರು ಮಾತಿ ಬೆಳೆದು ಕೈ ಮಿಲಾಯಿಸಿದ್ದು. A3, A4, A5 ಆರೋಪಿಗಳು ತಾವು ಬಂದಿದ್ದ ಜೀಪಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದ ಡ್ರಾಗರ್ ಚಾಕು ಎತ್ತಿಕೊಂಡು A3, 4, 5 ಮೆಲಾಡ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಟೇಕನ್ ಡ್ರಾಗರ್ ಚಾಕು ಎತ್ತಿಕೊಂಡು ಮುತಾ ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ ಸಾಕ್ಷಿ 1ರಿಂದ 4 ರವರಿಗೆ ತೋರಿಸಿ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಹೋದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇದ್ದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸಿ ಬಿಡ್ತೇವೆ ಅಂತ ಬೆದರಿಕೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು. ಯಾವ ನಾಟ್ ಅಸಾಲ್ಟೆಡ್ ಬಟ್ ಥ್ರೆಟನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಮುತಾ ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ ತನ್ನ ಬಳಿ ಇಟ್ಟುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದ ಮಚ್ಚನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಡಿಫೆನ್ಸ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಬೈ ದಿ ಅಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ A3 to A7 ಆರೋಪಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಕೇಸ್ ವಾಪಸ್ ಅಂತ ಡ್ರಾಗರ್ ಚಾಕು ಎದುರಿಸ್ತಿ ಅಂತ ಬೈಯುತ್ತಾ ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ ತನ್ನ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದ ಮಚ್ಚನ್ನು A1 ಮತ್ತು A5 ಕಡೆ ಬೀಸಿದ್ದು. A1 ಮತ್ತು A7 ಆರೋಪಿ ತಪ್ಪಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದು. A1 ರಿಂದ 7 ಆರೋಪಿಗಳು ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್ ಏನು ಬೈಯುತ್ತಿ ಅಂತ ಬೈದು ಹೊಡೆಯುತ್ತೀಯ ಬರುತ್ತಿ ಅಂತ ಬೈಯುತ್ತಾ A3 ಆರೋಪಿಯು ಕೈಲಿದ್ದ ಡ್ರಾಗರ್ನಿಂದ ಮುಂಜಾತಡಿ ಎದೆಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ A4 ಆರೋಪಿ ಕೈಲಿದ್ದ ಬೆನ್ನಿನ ಮೇಲೆ ಚುಚ್ಚಿ ರಕ್ತ ಏರ್ಪಡಿಸಿ A5 ಕೈಲಿದ್ದ ಚಾಕುವನ್ನು ಕಿತ್ತುಕೊಂಡು ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಚುಚ್ಚಿ ಗಾಯವನ್ನು ಉಂಟು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದರು. ಮುಂಜಾತಡಿ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬಿದ್ದು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದು. ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನೆಸ್ಟ್ A3, 4, 5 and ಫೈಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಆರೋಪಿ ಸಾಕ್ಷಿ 2 ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಖದ ಮೇಲೆ ತಲೆಗೆ ಹೊಡೆದು ನೋವುಂಟು ಮಾಡಿ. A5 ಆರೋಪಿಯು ಸಾಕ್ಷಿ 3 ಕೈಯಿಂದ ಮುಖದ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೊಡೆದು ನೋವುಂಟು ಮಾಡಿ. A6 ಆರೋಪಿಯು ಸಾಕ್ಷಿ 4 ಕೈಯಿಂದ ಮುಖದ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೊಡೆದು. A6 my lord. Present petitioner A6 asserted by hand towards space of the CW4 my lord. ಮುಖದ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೊಡೆದು ನೋವುಂಟು ಮಾಡಿ. A7 ಆರೋಪಿಯು ಸಾಕ್ಷಿಯವರ ಕೈಯಿಂದ ಮುಖದ ಮೇಲೆ ತಲೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೊಡೆದು ನೋವುಂಟು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. they have asserted CW4 by hand my lord. A1, A5, A6 ಆರೋಪಿ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬಿದ್ದು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದ ಮಹಿಳೆಯರಿಗೆ ಬೈಯುತ್ತಾ ಕೈ ಕಾಲುಗಳ ಎಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಒದ್ದ ರಕ್ತ ಉಂಟು ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಲೆ ಮಾಡಲು ಲಭ್ಯವಿರುವ ಸಾಕ್ಷಿದಾರರಿಂದ ವಿಧೇಯಕ ತನಿಖೆಯಿಂದ ದೃಢಪಟ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಮೇಡಮ್. Against this petitioner is concerned madam, they have asserted CW 4, 3 and 4 my lord by hand and kicked the deceased only overtax against this petitioner is concerned madam. As per PM report my lord, in page number 121 my lord, death was to hemorrhage shock sustained chest to sharp force my lord. Assault by accused number 3, 4 and 5 my lord.
PM report ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
PM report in page number 121 my lord. Final opinion page number 123 please.
Yes. CW? CW1 is the injured. Huh?
CW1 is injured.
The overtax alleged against the present petitioners is that they have assaulted with hands. Yes. Petitioners being accused number 6 and 7 are seeking grant of bail. When they were apprehended?
They were apprehended on 27 to 24 my lord.
They were apprehended on 27 to 2024. Since then they are in custody. The friend of the deceased lodged first information against accused number 1 to 4 and another for the offense punishable under sections 302 so and so FIR nulling 302 120B so and so so and so. During investigation, the accused were apprehended. Now the investigation is completed and charge sheet is filed. As per charge sheet, CW1 is the injured eyewitness. CW2 to 4 are the eyewitnesses to the incident. As per the case made out by the next part, as per the case made out by the prosecution. Crime number 53 of 2023. 53 of 2023 of which police station?
Same Suryan placement. Same Anekal.
Anekal police station was registered against the deceased and his son. The deceased went to the house of the prisoner, insisting him to see that the case is withdrawn. During the altercation, the deceased tried to assault number 1. Immediately, accused number 1 called accused number 3. And within no time, accused number 2 to 7 came to the spot. Number 3 and 4. Have brought it gather in the night. Threatened the informant, threatening the deceased and the witnesses who were present at the spot. In the meantime, the deceased tried to assault accused number 1 and 5 with a machete. However, they escaped. Thereafter, accused number 3 with a dagger, 4 with a knife, 4 and 5 with a knives assaulted the deceased while the petitioners have assaulted to the before and 5 with knives. As per PM report, the deceased had sustained as many as 13 injuries, external injuries, and the death was due to hemorrhage and shock as a result of the injury sustained to the chest due to sharp force. Sharp force. Even according to the case made out by the prosecution, the petitioners have not inflicted the fatal injuries sustained by the deceased. Since the charge sheet is already filed, the petitioners are not required to be detained in custody for any reason except to ensure his presence before the transfer. Under such circumstances, I am of the opinion that the petitioners may be allowed to bail subject to conditions. Lord subject to conditions.
Serial number 39, Srinivasan.
$39. Password. Password. Password.
41, Anjan Kumar BN.
Petitioners, in this case, my lord, there are 4 accused in this before the trial court, my lord. This petitioner is the accused number 3, my lord. The offences against this petitioner is, my lord, 419, 420, 468, 471, read with 34 of IPC, my lord. My lord, in this matter, the accused number 1 and 2 and 4 has been enlarged on bail by the 1, 2 and 4 have been enlarged on bail by the trial court. Also, by the trial court itself, my lord.
This is 438 alpha.
Please, my lord. My lord, in this matter, my lord, the allegation against this accused petitioner petitioner, my lord. Lord, in the FIR and in the complaint, there is no allegation against this petitioner, my lord. There is no name has been stated by the police in the FIR, my lord. There are only 2 accused referred by the police, my lord. My lord, the case of the complaint is that the accused number 1 and 2 have created some of the documents and impersonated the complainant name and they created, they got sale deed in their favor. That is the allegation, my lord. The GPA holder of the complaint has given the complaint before the police, my lord. My lord, after that, this petitioner has been called for inquiry by the police, my lord. After
No, accused number 1 impersonated the complainant.
also, that is the case of the complaint.
And the sale deed in favor of?
No, 2 has impersonated in favor of accused number 1. Vijay Kumar is the purchaser. Accused number 1 is the purchaser, my lord.
As per FIR,
Please, my lord.
Accused number 1 is an unknown lady.
Yes, my lord.
Now
please.
charge sheet is
But-
filed.
No, my lord. Charge sheet is not been filed in the
So
remand application, my lord, page number 30.
The complainant and got the sale deed executed in favor of accused number 2
Please, my lord.
as per FIR.
But in the remand, my lord, the
Remand ಏನಾದ್ರು ಹೇಳಿ.
accused number 1 is Vijay Kumar ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಸರಿ.
In page number 30, my lord.
ಯಾಕೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೋ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ.
Please, my lord.
FIR unknown lady is accused number 1. Impersonated. And is
Please.
executed the sale deed in favor of accused number 2. In the remand application, ulta hakida.
ಹೌದು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
It makes all the difference.
And moreover, my lord, this petitioner name has been shown in the remand application itself, my lord. That too, when I filed the application before the Sessions Court for under section 438 of CRPC.
What is the allegation against you?
There is no allegation against me, my lord.
Remand application ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ?
Remand application ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಹೆಸರು ಹಾಕ್ತಾರಾ? What is the allegation against him?
He is also involved with the accused.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ allegation?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
So the other accused, them to find out the particular lady. Also, instead of to get the other card.
Not against this petitioner, my lord.
Whether the name of the petitioner is specifically mentioned in the voluntary statement.
No, my lord.
Then
The accused number 4 has admitted saying that I have done everything, not against this petitioner, my lord. Against this petitioner, my lord, there is no any allegation even in the.
Admit ಮಾಡಿದ್ದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಒಪ್ಪೋ ಹಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ನಾವು.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. That is my submission is the accused number 4 has.
Of the prosecution, we have to
Please.
see.
The accused number 4 has stated that I have done the things anta.
Let him take the
But-
responsibility.
Please, my lord.
But what is the voluntary statement of accused number 1 and 2?
Voluntary statement in FIR ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದು charge sheet ಆಗಿದೆ.
Because this petitioner had the particular knowledge. He asked that particular lady to send her other card to him so that in case the photograph and other details of her other card. As that of the complaint. And keep that relevant.
Yes.
ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಜ್ಞಾನ ನೀನು ಶೀಲಾಲ್ ಅವರ ಆಧಾರ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾನು ಶೀಲಾಲ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕಳಿಸಿ ಆಧಾರ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕಳಿಸಿ ಅವರು ಹೈದರಾಬಾದ್ ಹುಬ್ಳಿ ವಿಳಾಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಧಾ ಸಿಂಗಾಜಿ ಎಂಬುವರ ಆಧಾರ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಡೆಡ್ಲೈನ್ ಪಡೆದಿದ್ದು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಶೀಲಾಲ್ ಅವರ ಫೋಟೋ ಬರುವಂತೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ವಿಚಾರವನ್ನು ನನಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸಿದರು. ಸುಲ್ತಾನ್ is the petitioner, and yes, when he needs to. He has helped the to get the Aadhaar card. The name of the complaint.
Yes.
My lord,
38 order. No 438.
my lord, because even
Serious allegations, sir. Unless you should be subjected to interrogation. Yes.
they're on bail, my lord.
Regular bail.
My lord, in this, the father of this petitioner is suffering from cancer, my lord.
ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ suffering sir.
No, his father is suffering from cancer,
Free
my
from
lord.
suffering ಯಾರು ಇಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ suffering.
But his condition is very bad, my lord.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಂಥವೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? No,
Well-
438 most ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ.
Any stringent conditions, my lord?
Petitioner being accused number 3. is seeking grant of anticipated bail on the apprehension of being arrested. Initially, FIR was going to be registered against accused number 1 and 2 in specific allegations. As per the first information, accused number 2 concocted documents and accused number 1 impersonated the complainant and got the sale deed executed in favor of accused number 2 in respect of the property belonging to the complainant. Accused number 1 and 2 were apprehended and their voluntary statement was recorded, wherein they have referred to the name of the present petitioner and stated that the petitioner who is referred to as Sultan is having the computer knowledge and he offered his service to manipulate the other card of accused number 1 in the FIR. To change it as that of the complaint by misusing the said other card. Sale deed said to have executed. When counsel to the petitioner contended that accused number 1, 2, and 4 are already enlarged on it, but all the accused were apprehended, subjected to interrogation. Thereafter, the petitioner is seeking the nature of the allegations made against the petitioner requires the custodial interrogation. Therefore, I am of the opinion that petitioner is not entitled for grant of anticipated bail. Accordingly, I answer the dismissed.
Please.
ಮುಗಿತಾಯ್ತು 41 ಒಬ್ಬಿಗ.
So matter non-compliance of office objection for first time, serial number 1 to 7.
Serial number 3, my lords.
Hmm.
All objections, my lords. The age of the petitioner and representative of the, I don't know itself, I rectify, my lords.
Four objections.
That another is that, my lords, the SC number is not forthcoming. They have stated that it is committed to the sessions court, my lords. In the charge sheet, order sheet is there, my lords. Now itself I have produced. ಈಗಲೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Age of the petitioner to be mentioned. Representative authority details ಏನದು? Documents with regard to LP is not forthcoming. Comply with all the objections.
Now itself.
Not on pass over ನೋಡಿ ಅದು ಏನದು? Other 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7 to comply with the office objections list. Next.
Order first time matter, serial number 8 to 24.
HCGP to take notice, ನೋಡಿ, responding private idara ನೋಡಿ, special PP idara idea.
Serial number.
Issue notice.
Kindly be have it serial number 10 on Friday, my lord, 12.
ನೋಡಿ, ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದು. Yes.
Serial number 13, one more connected matter in 13.
13.
Yes, ma'am.
Which is that?
6623 of 24.
6623 of 24.
24, I have given the number.
13. Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that criminal petition number 6623 of 2024 is connected with the present petition. Office is directed to list. Yes.
Serial number 12, man.
12. Yes.
12.
ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಡೇಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಕನ್ವೀನಿಯಂಟ್ ಡೇಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Yes.
Serial number 22, my lords. The trial court has a single ground reject ಮಾಡಿದೆ. Apprehension of arrest ತೋರಿಸಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Yes, I will consider. ನೋಡು. ಡೇಟ್ ಕೊಡಿ. That's okay. ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ?
Passport matters. Serial number 17, Anif MH.
Yeah. 438 now, 439 matter, my lordship.
Petitioner is?
Sole petitioner, accused. Charge sheet is filed, I am handovering charge sheet now. the complaint 363 for unknown person by the grandfather of the victim. Victim is 17 years of age. The
Complainant is
complainant is grandfather,
against unknown person.
unknown person for
Missing
kidnap.
complaint.
Pardon?
Missing complaint.
Missing. Kidnap. 363, page number 17. Complaint,
Yes.
page number 12, annexure A. ನಾನು ಈ ಮೇಲಿನ ವಿಳಾಸದಲ್ಲಿ
Did he charge sheet already filed?
charge sheet file.
Column number 17.
Pardon, madam.
When you were arrested?
Arrested on 17/11, 2023.
17/11/2023.
Sorry, 11/7/2023.
23.
How? Charge sheet is 29/8/2023. Incorporated charge sheet,
164 statement.
164 statement in, along with the charge sheet, page number 38, my lord. The page, she's fallen in love with me. And we have traveled so many places before the occurrence of the incident, alleged incident. This is a consent. Second page nalli, first paragraph, first line. Married. We are relatives. There is no physical injury at all, my lord. The FSL report is saying that there is no specific is found in that articles.
Petitioner is a married man.
Yes, no. Being relatives, my lord.
The relatives are there?
No,
She is
the
a child,
allegation
she's
was
not
my
a
lordship that
adult. She is a minor.
she's 17 years, my lordship. Now she's
17 other major, huh?
no, it is my
Minor.
lordship, this discretionary of 4 and 5. Long, she
You
is.
are a married man. I can understand if you are an unmarried person.
No, my
You are
lordship,
a married man and
and
a
is
grown-up
a-
man.
it's assurance, my lordship.
No, no,
And
nothing.
there is no physical injury also.
ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಏನಿದೆ?
In medical report also is none, my lordship,
No.
that.
Yes, what
And
is?
last so many.
Yes.
Committed rape on.
Charge sheet also filed and.
ಅವರು ಎವಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗೋವರೆಗೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Petitioner being the sole accused is seeking grant of bail. He was apprehended on 7.
Permit me withdraw, my lordship.
For withdrawing himself of the petitioner after addressing the argument at length seeks permission. Yes, dismiss.
Serial number 34, Gopal Krishnamurthy C.
Petitions. My lord, there are two petitions, my lord. One is under 438 and another one is 439. My lord.
One
Accused number one is,
1 minute, 1 minute.
please, sorry.
Petitioner in 6298.
6298, my lord, the accused number 2 and 3, my lord.
The
Please.
other one,
Another one is accused number 1, my lord.
when he was arrested.
Lord, on 1/6/2024, my lord. If my lord permits, I will read complaint, my lord, annexure B,
1 minute.
please.
Who is the complainant?
Complainant is the brother of the deceased, my lord.
Brother of deceased.
Please.
How she died?
Lord, she committed a suicide in her
How?
parental house, my lord.
How? Hanging.
Hanging.
In her parents'
In
house.
a parent's house.
Death note is left.
No, my lord. No death notice.
Who is accused number 2 and 3?
2 and
You
3 are the
husband.
in-laws, my lord.
You are the husband.
Accused number 1 is that is husband.
2 and 3.
2 and 3 are the in-laws, my lord. Mother-in-law and father-in-law. All others have been granted the bail by the Honorable Session Court, my lord.
Yaru.
Other accused, my lord.
How many accused are there?
Lord, total, my lord, there are total 7 accused, my lord. They have been implicated. All other persons are the relatives of the petitioners. Lord, they have also been included as a other accused.
They were granted bail.
Yes, my lord.
Anticipatory bail.
Yes, my lord. 4 to 7
Anticipatory bail.
anticipatory bail.
What is the allegation?
My lord, the allegation, my lord, if my lord permits, I will read, my lord. Page number 18, my lord, the typed copy.
18.
18, my lord, typed copy in 6298. Or I will read here only, my lord.
Sir, just ಹೇಳಿ ಸಾಕು ನನಗೆ. Why you?
Lord, the gist is, my lord, they are, these petitioners have demanded dowry.
Date of marriage.
Date of marriage 30/11/2022, my lord.
Date of death.
1/6/2024, my lord. 31/5/2024, but the crime registered on 1/6/2024, my lord.
You accepted the demanded and accepted the dowry.
No, my lord.
There was demand for additional dowry.
My lord, they kindly see, my lord, the allegation is, my lord, while marrying, my lord, there is a one ring and another 12,500 rupees suits, my lord. Even they have not leased that, he has demanded the money even at the time of marriage.
Yes.
After the marriage, my lord, that too after 1.5 year, my lord, that too brother of the deceased, that too, my lord, he is not residing in the parental house and he is residing somewhere was working as a one private society. As a secretary, my lord, he has leased that. And on.
Any criminal complaint was registered by the deceased?
No, my lord. Deceased, she has not lodged any complaint.
ಏನದು ಚಾಮರಾಜನಗರ ಮಹಿಳಾ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಠಾಣೆಯಲ್ಲಿ
16/5/24 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಬಟ್ there is no such complaint is registered, my lord. But after 15 days, my lord, she has committed suicide. That too in 40 kilometers difference is there, my lord, to the petitioner's place as well as that parental house.
Yes. Hmm.
After that, my lord,
Hmm.
Even in the PM report, now I got, my lord, I have a certified copy, wherein, my lord, there is no mentioning of that injury, my lord. Madam. In the inquest master also, my lord, there is no such injury is mentioned, my lord. I have a certified copy now. Now I have got, my lord.
16/5/2024.
After 15 days,
Not on 1/6.
no, 31/5, my lord, crime registered on 1/6, my lord.
PM report, no external injuries.
No, my lord. See, inquest measure is there, my lord.
Inquest alla, PM,
PM report, since charge sheet is not filled.
yes, no injury,
No injury.
except, I will allow the petition.
Please.
The number 1 is separate. 6319 of 2020. The petitioner is accused number 1. He was apprehended on 1/6/2020. Since then, he is in judicial custody. Brother of the brother of the deceased lodged first in information. Accused number 1 to 7, making specific allegations. It is stated that the petitioner married the deceased on 30/11/2022 and had demanded dowry. He was demanding additional dowry and used to retreat the deceased. On 16/5/2020, the petitioner said to have assaulted the deceased on her head with the cutting plier and caused injuries. Thereafter, the deceased came to her parental house and was staying there, where she committed suicide by hanging on 31/5/2024. No death note was left then by the deceased. It is not the contention of the prosecution that the petitioner is required for further investigation. As per the copy of the inquest manager, the deceased had no other external injuries. Kodi, request master.
Please, madam.
Only the inquest. Except the ligature mark around the neck. ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಇದೆಯಲ್ರಿ, ತಲೆಯ ಮುಂಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಣೆಯ ಹತ್ತಿರ 1 ಇಂಚು and 1/2 ಇಂಚು
That's what-
ಅಗಲದ ಗಾಯ.
ಅದೇ ಇಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟಿಚ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಅದೇ ಆವತ್ತು ಇಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇಳಿಸಿದಾಗ.
ಇಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕಾರಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಟಿಚ್ ಆದ ಗಾಯ.
ಅದೇ that's what, my lord. On that day.
ಬೇಕಾದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ
On
stitch
31/5/24, my lord. On 31/5/24, my lord.
That day she committed suicide.
But, my lord, the allegation is 16/5/24. They have assaulted through that cutting plier, my lord. To the head, my lord.
Yes.
Not to the forehead.
ಸರ್, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಳಿಸಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಟಿಚ್ ಯಾರು ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು?
No, my lord. ಅರ್ಧ ಇಂಚು ಅಗಲದ ಗಾಯದ ಗುರುತು ಇದ್ದು ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟಿಚ್ ಹಾಕಿರುತ್ತದೆ.
ಸ್ಟಿಚ್ ಯಾರು ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ ಸತ್ತ ಮೇಲೆ?
My lord,
ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ.
while conducting inquest, my lord, they have mentioned this.
Yes, that stitched wound is of the ಯಾವಾಗ 16/5/2024.
But, my lord, it is very clear.
ಅಲ್ಲ. No other ಬೇಡ. The deceased had a ligature mark around her neck and a sutured wound measuring 1.5 inches on the forehead. which corresponds with the allegation of assault on 16/5/2024. Charge sheet is filed,
No, it's not.
even though charge sheet is not yet filed. It is not the contention of the prosecution, but petitioner is required to be detained in custody for any reason, except to ensure his presence before the trial. Therefore, I am of the opinion that the petitioner may be advised on those appropriate conditions. Next, 6298 of 2020. The petitioners are accused number 2 and 3. And they are seeking grant of anticipatory bail and the permission of being arrested. They are the parents of accused number 1. The brother of the deceased lodged the brother of the deceased lodged the first information, making specific allegations against accused number 1 to 7. Accused number 1 married the deceased on 30/11/2020. It is stated that accused number 1 had demanded dowry and that he used to insist for additional dowry and used to ill-treat the deceased. On 16/5/2024, accused number 1 said to have assaulted the deceased on the head with a cutting blade. The inquest manager supports this contention as a sutured wound over the forehead. The deceased is noticed. However, serious allegations are against accused number 1 for having muted the deceased with cruelty, as a result of which she committed suicide in her parental house. No death note is left behind. Accused number 1 is already apprehended. He is enlarged on bail as per order passed today in criminal petition number 6319 of 2020. I do not find any reason to reject the claim of the petitioners for grant of anticipatory bail. Reasonable conditions may be imposed or resolved. Admittedly, it is number 4 to 7. And also the relatives of accused number 1 are granted anticipatory bail. Allowed subject to condition.
Great. 39, in Srinivas.
Sorry, but it's not so that the case. Well, the first petition is under section 439. Both the petitions arise out of the same crime number.
Yes. Who are the
438.
accused?
438, 6324, 438, corresponds to A1, as the 439 is concerned, A2 and A3,
When they were arrested?
The first petitioner under section 438, has not been arrested.
2 and 3.
2 and 3. Remand application illa.
ಹೇಳಲ್ವ ನೀವು ಯಾವಾಗ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ?
Remand application ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ.
17/5/24. That should be the first question. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಬಂದು ಕೂಡಲೇ.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ I was not able to submit.
A3, my lord, because there are 17.
Yes. What is the
Well, there was ಒಂದು ಗೆಟ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಗೆಟ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ಸ್ ಸನ್ ಇನ್ ಲಾ ಕಾಲ್ ತುಳ್ದ A1 ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಗಲಾಟೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. my lords, I have filed the complaint. My lords would find at the page number,
Who is the complainant?
complainant is one Nagaraj,
Injured
Lakshmi
himself?
Devi.
Injured himself is the complainant?
Please, minutes.
ಹೌದೇನ್ರಿ ನೋಡಿ. Injured himself is the complainant?
Injured himself.
What is the nature of injury? ಇದು ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಸೊ.
Two injuries, simple injuries. ಏನು? Reason?
Tenderness over left cheek, depression over left. Case and consequence.
Abrasion over? Abrasion over?
Abrasion over left hand.
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕೌಂಟರ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಯಾವುದು? ಕೌಂಟರ್ ಕೇಸ್? Time number?
166. Page 24.
ಇದು?
164. But there was no intention, my lord.
Whose number 1 is the.
Accused number 1. Is the complainant there?
There, whose number 1 and 1 Lakshmi Devi is.
Joint complaint.
And he is the victim.
Yes, in 167.
Yes, 166, my lord. The accused in the 167 is the.
Yes.
Offences are similar.
324 of 2024. One minute. Petitioners are accused number 2 and 3, seeking grant of bail. The bill was applied on 17/5/2024. And accused number 3 on 16/5/2024. Since then, they are in judicial custody. The injured logged the first information, making specific allegations against accused numbers 1 to 7. In all, 7 accused.
Please, minutes.
1 to 7. It is stated that in a party, all the accused have assaulted. The injured Manoj, injured has filed a PEDA. The informant filed the complaint and made the heading. Assaulted the injured with hands and caused injuries. They have also dragged the native owned by one Netravathi and they tried to outrage her modesty. Accused number 1 assaulted the informant with a machete on his head and caused injuries. But as per his own certificate, the injured sustained 2 simple injuries. That is, tenderness over left cheek and abrasion over the left hand. It is stated that the petitioner, it is stated that accused number 1 have filed a similar complaint against the injured and others registered in crime number 166 of 2024. It is not the content in charge sheet is filed. Admittedly, the charge sheet is already filed. It is not the contention of the prosecution that the petitioners are required for investigation, or that they are having any criminal anticipation. Under such circumstances, I do not find any reason to detain them in custody. Reasonable conditions may be imposed for execution. 16 number 6324 438. The petitioner being accused number 1 is seeking grant of expected bail and the apprehension of being arrested. The information shown from the complaint available. The specific allegations made against the present petitioner is that he assaulted the injured with a machete on his head. However, the wound certificate discloses that the injured has sustained 2 simple injuries, that is tenderness over left cheek and abrasion over left hand. And admittedly, the petitioner has filed the first information against the injured and others, which is registered in crime number 166 of 2024. It is thereafter the present complaint in crime number 167 of 2024 was going to be registered. Petition number 2 and 3 are granted bail by this court in criminal petition number 6324 of 2024. We do not find any reason to reject the petition, keeping the undisputed bail as the presence of the petitioner before the investigating officer for interrogation may not be necessary. Reasonable conditions may be imposed, which will not be complete criminal investigation. Allowed subject to conditions.
List 2, serial number 3, Raghavendra K.
Complied. Counsel for the petitioner submits that the office objections are complied with. Office to verify. HCGP to take notice for respondent. Private respondent to bring no D. List on. Yes. Date could be. Connect ಆದ್ರೆ
Madam, thank you. Paper, what is this?